Guys, we got new cat again, and this is this one, still a kitten. And Sugar is gone because I don't know why he's gone. Then this is Top. He's right there at the couch. Top, come on. Wait lang. Okay. Wait, this. Oh. I want this. Tay, nagpantay rabies na ito. Tay. Tatay.
Hindi pa dyan nakantay-rabies.
Hello, here. Top, kunwari ito yung mouse. Wait lang. Punta naman ako dito. Okay. So, Top, ilang hours ka na? I'm just gonna go to my parents.
Pero basta pag may nakakamit sa akin. Hey, paano naman kami nandito po sa awa yung pusa natin?
Huh?
Isasara ang mga...
So, pwede bang i-cage?
Abay, kung naman si Sugar.
Nanay, pwede i-cage, ha?
Oo, ano. Ay, didala mo yung bag.
Come on, go here. Wait lang.
Bakit? Kinamot ni Dida. Ganyan din ako, nakakamot ko.
Top, ito kunwari ito yung mouse, Top. Tas yun yung cat. Top, pwede ba itong kunwari mouse?
Oo nga.
Wait lang. Wait lang. Ba yan? Yun yung pusa. Okay. Give the cat there.
Nadidisi siya.
Wait lang.
Ay,
Pusa lang. Wait lang. Nay. Si Chocoboy ba kayo magpaparabis?
Milo daw.
Milo.
Milo, okay lang sa'yo, Milo.
Guys, let's go. Where's my mouse? Top. Where's my mouse? I'm gonna go back to my spot.
I gotta go.
Top, where's the cat?
It's just over here.
Okay, I'm gonna put it down. Okay.
Nice.
His name is Milo, not Choco. It got replaced now. Squeak. Hello, guys. The girl who is vlogging is Isa. And I am... Hey. Pretend that this is a mouse. And the cats now go. Wait. Okay, go here. Wait.
Wait.
Oh, come on.
I want to eat.
He, she, I don't know. Top, i-ask mo yung mother ko kung ano, boy or
Hindi siya
girl.
lalaki.
Okay. Baka umalis ulit yan. Okay. Here's a mouse. Squeak. Hello. Hey. Come back.
Hindi gusto niya sa akin.
Sige.
Hoy, bawal ka dyan.
Bawal.
Hoy, mag-mode ka na lang, oh.
Yan. Na ano pa?
Hoy, ito mag-mode.
Ay! Why? Wait lang. Ito, si Speed. Top, takot pa yan, Top, kasi naninibago dito.
Gusto ko dito.
Okay, then. Wait, I'm just gonna eat the cat food. Wait. Nasaan na yun? Wait. Top, ilang minutes ka nandito? Nandito sa yellow room?
Probably 3 hours. Hindi pa, 1
Oh,
hour.
okay. Ito naman ako.
Kasi naglalaro ako dito.
Alam mo na ipupuntang baba. Top, maglaro ka muna. I'm just gonna ask my father. Where's my father? My mother's upstairs. Oh. Sige. Wait lang. Tatay. Ano ha?
Ha?
Tatay kailan ha magpapa-anti rabies si Milo ha? Tatay. Ilang?
Hindi ko pa alam eh.
Okay. Let's go upstairs. Oh, I found those birds. It's there. Let's go. Okay. Go upstairs. I might Milo go downstairs sometimes. What's this? Powder. Powder. I found more powder here. Okay.
Basta ka dito sa bed.
Alright. Okay. So guys, this is full episode like 10 minutes plus or something. So we're not gonna make an episode video. So we will be right back later. And I'm just gonna take a rest. So yeah. Okay, I just sleep for around seconds, so let's go again. Hey.
Clowny.
Okay, subscribe guys.